Welcome to Ask Lakshmi YouTube channel. Sometimes, being as a server administrators, we might have to remove Tableau server completely, including backups and everything, on maybe a Linux machine or it can be a Windows machine. So just doing an uninstall from a control panel on a Windows will not completely remove your Tableau server. So in order to remove the data which is under tab svc directory, or the backups which were taking on the default folder, or maybe completely removing it from the registry keys, will require a specific script to be run. So what is that script and how we can utilize that? Let's see in this video. On my Amazon EC2 instance, I already have a Tableau server installed. Also, I have several versions on it. I have done the upgrade on the same server itself. So if you want to check whether you have a Tableau server on a specific server or a machine or not, how do you do that? You can open the Google Chrome or any other browser for that matter. Type HTTP localhost, or you can give the server name or the DNS alias also. So if you're getting this login screen with the localhost, which means Tableau server is running on that machine. Also, the other method how you can determine whether a Tableau server is there, you can go to services and then in the services sort it out by T, so you can see whether administration controller or agent and other processes are there. So how do you know from which path the Tableau server is being running? So you can go to properties of any of the services. You will see the path from where the executable is running, which determines from where your Tableau server is running. So what are the other methods in order to determine maybe what version is running on the server? So you can check from the control panel also. So on the control panel you will see what different versions that are being installed on this machine. So you can go to control panel, and on the control panel programs and features option, you can see which versions have been installed on this machine. So you can see 2020.3, but there are other servers also installed on this. So once you are sure on what path it is picking, then you can go to that path, Tableau server. You can go to temp. So under temp you will see a script called Tableau server obliterate. So this is the script which we can use in order to completely remove Tableau server from your Windows or maybe Linux machine also. So also under the scripts also it should be there. So if you look at it, the second one from bottom under the scripts, which is under packages, you can see the server obliterate script. So you can call it this script from here also. So I have copied the path. I'm going to open command prompt with the run as administrative privileges, and I'm changing my current path to that specific directory. From here I can run my. So let's say if you don't find that obliterate script anywhere, you can refer to this knowledge article, which is obliterate script unavailable after uninstalling. So you can uninstall from control panel. Even after that you will see the obliterate script. So if you don't find it, you can download that script from here and you can run the same script on your Windows or Linux machine. So now I am on that path where I have seen the script previously, which is Tableau server obliterate script. So let me check the name, Tableau server obliterate. Yeah, this is the command. So there are different options that you can give as an input parameters, which are arguments. So what we normally give is -y -y -y, so which completely removes your any existing backups on the current location within the default location. Also there are why the -y has to be in that, you can check in the documentation. If you want to remove the licensing also, then you can give -l. So if you want to give completely remove the licensing as well. So as soon as I execute this script, there will be another command prompt that will be opened like this, so which will start the actual process of completely removing your Tableau server. So what it does basically, it removes all of the services, it will uninstall everything, it will remove all the data backup and each and every folder. So let us assume there are multiple servers on your system. So nothing but, let's say you are on 2019.2 and you have upgraded to 2020.2 on the same machine, which is in place upgrade. So on the control panel you will see both the installations, but the actual operations will be the latest version. So in that case, you will be left with two different installations on the same machine. Or maybe I have upgraded it again, then I might have three also. So in my case I have three different versions installed because I have done, as I said, couple of upgrades on this machine. So I was on one version and then I went to two and then I went to three. So as you can see on the screen, so it is deleting all the directories which is under data also, and as well as, so what will we have under data? Tab svc, files, backups and everything. So once every folder and everything removed, then it is installing the version 2020.3. so as I said, I have multiple versions on my system, so you will see it is going to uninstall the other versions also. So now it has removed the directories and everything, as I said, you can see on the command prompt. So it has uninstalled all the services like client file service, tab admin controller, or the licensing service. So all of the services it has installed, sorry, uninstalled, and as well as it removed the directories also. So once everything is done, then it came to the pre-MSI based Tableau server, which it in uninstalls. So there are multiple versions, as I said, on my machine, so it will uninstall each and every version. It started with 2020.3, but in the rest of the video you can see it will uninstall all other versions also. So with this Tableau server obliterate script, you can completely remove a Tableau installation and as well as the data directories from any system. It need not to be a Windows. It can be Windows, or it can be Linux, or it can be Ubuntu. Any, irrespective of the operating system, you can use this script. So you have seen the paths. It can be under temp, it can be under scripts. If you don't find the script, then you can refer to the knowledge article and copy the script from there and copy that over to your server, and you can run with -y arguments. If you want to remove the license also completely, then you can use -l. Normally what happens is there might be an issue on the server and you want to completely remove and uninstall again, so in which cases we don't give -l as an argument. But in general, if you want to remove along with the license, then you can give -l also. Also, as a must thing, so before you do any of these sort, you have to take a backup of your server completely, and then you start removing, because you never know when you're gonna uh, need that backup again. So yeah, so that's the thing. Now let's check it out. Maybe not this folder, I'll go to program data. Yeah, here you can see all of the data, tab svc, or all other directories have been removed already. So you, if you have observed previously, it was uninstalling .3.0, but now it is uninstalling .3.1. That's because, as I said, I have multiple installations as part of my previous upgrades. That doesn't mean that I can run multiple versions of Tableau on the same machine. It's because first I was on .3 and then I upgraded to .3.1, and then I recently installed a beta version which is .4 for my pre-release testing. .4 I installed. So that's the reason it removes all of them from the control panel and everything. here you can see it is uninstalling 2020.4 as well. So if you look at the command prompt, it says uninstalling Tableau server 3 times. That's because I have 3 different versions as part of the upgrades I have done on this system. So it installed, so it removed everything from data directory and the normal directories, and now it is uninstalling all of the versions that I have on my server, so which is a clean installation, so it's good. Now let's wait for it to complete. It will take a couple of minutes. Yeah, so now it is done, it seems. Let's see whether everything have been removed. We already checked out this directory. Let's refresh in the services and see if all of the services are cleaned up. Yeah, you can see there. So no Tableau service is available now. So everything is cleaned up. And also let's go to the Chrome and reload the page. Okay. Yeah, the site cannot be reached, that because we removed everything. So this one we already checked it out. So there is nothing in this directory. If I go back to control panel, so wherein you are having server to 2020.4, so if I refresh it, let's see, because the script has uninstalled everything. Yeah, so now you can see there is no Tableau server in control panel as well. We uninstalled, we removed everything. So this is how you completely remove your Tableau server, including data directories and everything. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe to my channel Ask Lakshmi, or you can refer to my blog asklakshmi.com for more articles and videos related to Tableau server.